Disabling two-factor authentication on your Disney Plus account can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Disney Plus website or open the app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Access Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Privacy. Click on this to find your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or button to disable it. Click on this option. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may be prompted to confirm your choice. Follow any additional instructions to finalize the process. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Disney Plus account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Disney Plus customer support for assistance.